this is Dr. S. Ramya, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology. Today we are going to see about the fundamentals of data analytics. The first one is for data analytics. We need to gather the data collection from the large data set. Afterwards, we need to analyze the data. The objectives of data analytics is transform the raw data into insights, support the business decisions, identify the trends and the patterns, and improve the efficiency. So these are the objectives of the data analytics. So types of data analytics is a descriptive, diagnostic, and predictive and prescriptive. Data analytics process data collections, data cleaning and transformations, analysis, visualization and reporting. Data collection is nothing but we need to collect the data from the various sources of data. That is both the primary data and the secondary data. We need to analyze the data. First we need to collect the data collection. Afterwards data cleaning. Only the relevant data has to be taken for the data analytics process. Irrelevant data has been removed using the pre-processing step. Next one, data transformation. Based on the standard format, we need to transform the data in the particular format before analyzing the data. Afterwards, analyzing and visualization in the report. After analyzing the data, we need to visualize the report. That is a pie chart as well as a line chart, graphical representation. So easy to analyze which part we need to improve the analyzing the data and reporting whether it is a drawback or not. Data sources. We need to collect the data sources from the various sources of data. First one, databases, spreadsheets, web or social media, or the IoT devices and the business applications. So these are the types of data sources we need to data collected from that particular data sources. Afterwards, analyzing the data. The key techniques is nothing but statistical analysis, data mining, machine learning and data visualization. Statistical analysis is nothing but we need to collect the data. Afterwards, analyzing the data, which part has to be improved. Data mining is in it's a pattern, trends and the pattern, which is mainly used for the analyzing purposes. Machine learning as well as a data visualization is nothing but a graphical representation of the analyzing the data. At last, we need to submit the report. Tools used in the data analyzing analytics is nothing but Python or SQL, structure query language, Power BI, Tableau and Excel. So these are the tools used in the data analytics. Applications of data analytics is nothing but healthcare and finance, retail, education and manufacturing. Application of data analysis in the healthcare is nothing but, for example, in diabetes patient, we need to analyze the data whether the patient having the diabetes or not. First, we need to collect the samples. That is a history, whether past history we having the any disease affected by the patients or any other DNA report or the blood test, whatever it is. We need to collect the background history. We need to study the background history. We need to analyze the healthcare. In healthcare sector, we easy to after collecting the data from the patients, we need to easily analyzing the data analysis whether the patient is affected by the diabetes or not. Finance sector as well as the in finance sector, we need to improve the after collecting the data where we need to improving the sector that we can use in the finance sector and the retail as well as the educations. For example, student database, we need to collect all the students mark list in the whole college. We need to analyze the report whether the slow learners, advanced learners as well as the where we need to take the report. In educational field, the large students has to large number of students database has to be taken. Afterwards, we analyzing the report. For example, result analysis. We need to collect the mark from the various department as well as at last we need to finalize the result analysis. And as well as the manufacturing department. In manufacturing department, there are the number of units or that production as well as the step by step we need to analyzing the data. Afterward, all the collected the data the mainly used for the data analytics, whether the product will be delivered to the particular customer on time or not. Benefits of data analytics is nothing but better decision making, cost reduction, and improve the customer experience, competitive advantages. Then conclusion, data analytics converts the data into actionable insights. It is essential for the modern organization. Data driven decision improve the outcomes. Yes, thank you.